Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get macOS Tahoe dark dock look on Windows using Nexus Dock. This setup will make your desktop look clean, modern and super stylish, just like macOS. Step by step, I will guide you through the customization process. So stay tuned, follow along and let's transfer your Windows desktop today. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this macOS Tahoe dark dock customization on Windows using Nexus Dock. If you like this setup, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more cool desktop customization video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one. Bye.